Level up your kit with this. This is the Vaunt green crossline laser level, and it's available now at its.co.uk. Now, this is something that is perfect for tradespeople and DIYers alike, and it is essentially what it says on the tin. If you were looking to get something level, then why not use this laser? It is going to be able to cast the laser both vertically and horizontally, and it just allows you to be as precise as possible when working. And this is applicable to just about anything from, hanging up a picture all the way through to installing the kitchen worktop. And when looking at this Vaunt model in particular, now this is a green crossline laser and the diodes on this are very impressive, giving you a very clear and very bright laser line. And like I said, crossline, so it's both horizontal and vertical, and you've got a switch so you can use one or the other or both at the same time. Now you can turn these diodes on with the button on top. However, you can use this pendulum switch on the side because this laser level is self-leveling. So you're essentially letting gravity do the work, and you want it to be as accurate as possible rather than guessing, yeah, that looks about level. This is built to withstand site conditions as well, which is why this is IP54 water and dust resistant. Now, some of you may be seeing this and thinking, Dan, this looks impressive, but I've got a red laser level. Well, if you've got something like that, then you probably know some of the struggles that you'd have with a red laser, which is why green is the way forward, because it is just so much more visible, especially if you're working outside, if you're having a bit more natural light. You're just going to be able to see the laser clearer, and that means that your work is going to be more accurate in any condition. Now, this comes with a lovely multi-purpose stand. You can use it to stand up just like this if you're working in a lower area, but you also have a hole on the back for a hook, and then you have magnets if you're working up against anything metal. So if you are looking to get your work as precise as possible, be it DIY or on site, then you are going to want to get yourself one of these. This is the Vaunt green crossline laser level, and it's available now at its.co.uk.